Okay, let's look at part D. Part D says find the total interest on a 3.5 year CD after 3 years and 5 months. Remember in the last problem, we found the interest earned for the last 5 months, and that's 183.95. We already found the interest earned for the first 3 years, which we talked about in the previous video, which was 2,623. So you're just going to add. You're going to add 2,623, which was the interest for the first 3 years, and for the last 5 months it was 183.95, and you just add those amounts, and that's going to give you the total interest for 3 years and 5 months, which happened to be 27.84.18. Part E says the interest is reduced by subtracting the $250 penalty. What does the account earn for the 3 years and 5 months? Basically, you just take this and subtract 250, and we get $2,534.18. That's it. All right, let's look at part F. Okay, let's look at E. It says the interest is reduced by subtracting the, wrong problem. Look at F. It says find the balance on the CD after she withdraws $12,000 after 3 years and 5 months. Well, let's think about it. The original principal to start off with was $19,400. Okay, how much interest did we earn after 3 years and 5 months? Well, remember we did all this. Look at part E here. We did the calculation. We had to subtract the 250, and we broke it up into 2 parts, and we did all the different calculations. So we actually earned $2,534.18. So I'm going to add that to this, $2,534.18. That's going to be the balance in your account, in Caroline's account. So we just add those. Okay, this represents the actual balance that's in the account. Original principal plus the interest that was earned, even though we lost some money because of the penalties and the interest rate as it went down. But now it says we're going to withdraw $12,000. So now you just basically subtract $12,000 here, and then whatever that is, that's going to be your total answer, your final answer. And your final answer is 9,000, and I'll write it over here, $9,934.18, even though the answer is right here. Let's look at part G. Okay, part G says the final month of the CD receives 2% interest. What is the final month's interest? Round to the nearest cent. Well, remember, in the final month, we only have $9,934.18 in our account. Caroline does. So now we need to find interest for 1 month at 2% interest. How much interest will she earn? Let's see. Let's go to the formula. It's going to be $9,934.18 times 1 plus 2%, right? 0.02 divided by monthly, which is 12 to the, well, let's see, it's going to be 12 times, how much time was it? It was 1 month, so it's 1 month out of 12. Do the math. Okay, when you put in a calculator, this is your balance here. But now, how much interest did we earn for that 1 month? We just subtract this from our principal here, and we get Caroline earned $16.56 for that particular month. And now next problem will be problem H and I.